This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 28, Creativity Activities Applied. The speaker recaps the previous talk on creativity, emphasizing the importance of dissociating evaluation from creative thinking, questioning assumptions, and taking calculated risks to overcome fear and limiting patterns. The presentation delves into creativity tools and techniques, such as semantic intuition, concept separation and linking, using analogies for ideation, and employing rules and constraints to shape learning experiences. Analogies establish creative connections between vastly different concepts, while attribute listing involves breaking down products or systems to recombine their parts innovatively. Brainstorming and brainwriting techniques encourage divergent, irrational thinking and spontaneous idea generation, fostering creativity by exploring novel perspectives and combinations. After generating ideas through brainstorming, analytical thinking is employed to converge on solutions. Free association links disparate ideas to find novel connections and solutions, while lateral thinking techniques like de Bono's encourage divergent, exploratory paths. Initially ridiculous ideas should not be immediately dismissed, as history shows they may contain seeds of brilliance. The 6 thinking hats technique separates different thinking modes, allowing focused exploration. The white heart gathers facts without judgment. The green heart explores gut feelings and free associations. The black heart applies caution and logical thinking. The yellow heart considers creativity, alternatives, and possibilities, while the blue heart integrates all perspectives, focusing on ideas over individuals. The presentation concludes by highlighting the key takeaways. Applying creativity tools across diverse domains can spark innovation. Separating divergent and convergent thinking modes enhances creativity, and combining unrelated concepts can yield novel perspectives and applications. Techniques like 6 hats isolate modes like analysis from ideation, and trends like gamifying learning could boost creative engagement. In summary, creativity tools foster novel perspectives and combinations. Separating divergent and convergent thinking modes is key. Combining unrelated concepts yields novel applications. Techniques like 6 hats isolate analysis from ideation. Applying creativity tools across domains sparks innovation, and even seemingly ridiculous ideas may contain the seeds of brilliant solutions. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.